everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 LCI in Storm Bay Metallic with the Amido interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 in Storm Bay Metallic. I just hit unlock, so we got the kidney grille lit up, we got the headlights on, and this is what the key looks like. I'm just going to press and hold panic for pathway lighting. So that is what the full low beam system will look like, everything lit up. So this is very different in design compared to the outgoing pre-LCI iX, and the xDrive60 replaces the outgoing xDrive50. So not only did the number go up, we got a bit more range there as well, and some other differences. So once I'm done this full lap all the way around the car, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. So this is Storm Bay Metallic. We did have this color on the iX before we got to the LCI. This was also a very popular X1 color and continues to be a popular X1 color on the new U11 X1. So we've got a line coming off this way, and we've got some sculpted arches, BMW rondelle up front and center. We've got the new illuminating kidney grille, so this is totally different than before. The grille design has shape, it didn't light up before, and you can see that we've got these diagonal lines going up, and everything is blacked out because this has the M Sport Pro package on it. And these lines actually go all the way into the headlights, which looks pretty sweet. And the headlight design, I think, looks much more aggressive than the outgoing pre-LCI. And this is the new M Sport bumper. Looks totally different than the outgoing. And the previous Sport bumper is now the standard, but it has body colored accents on it. So pretty interesting. And you can kind of see that we've got this split chin that we've been seeing on a lot of our cars, like X2, new M5. Yeah, this is kind of the new design language, this little split chin area. We do have some active shutters down here at the bottom as well. And once again, let me just get the headlights on. That looks sweet. We do have also some functional air ducts in here. And just like before, we've got the SCHA stuff in there, so a bunch of sensors and whatnot, but still looking good. And this is still supposed to be self-healing, just like it was in the pre-LCI. Now, when we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 22-inch Aero wheels, 1027 M style in jet black, and we have the red M Sport brake back there. Big huge M over here, and those 22s look pretty awesome. Now when we come over here, you'll see that we have the integrated turn signal in the side mirror with the camera, and we also have glass roof, and can't really see any welcome light carpet in the showroom, it's a little bit too bright. And we've got some ambient lighting inside of there. Got the iX emblazoned on the C-pillar there. Yeah, you can kind of see that welcome light carpet. It kind of looks like what's on the grill, which is cool. I like that. We've got the spoiler up top. There's your rear 22-inch 1027 M wheel. And because we've got M Sport Pro, these tail lights are actually shadow line. So let me just hit lock so the tail lights will turn off. So you can see they're grayed out on the non-shadow line, they're actually still red. We've got the rear wiper arm, camera integrated into the BMW rondelle, and we have a new diffuser on the back for the M Sport design. So that is different than the pre-LCI. And then we've got xDrive60 badging. So since I've got the key, and this iX only comes with one physical key, the rest are digital keys, and you can do share up to 18 digital keys now. So once I kick, that opens up. There are two cargo covers to hide your contents. Here's some rubber mats, carpet mats, front plate bracket, elastic area, tie down areas are here as well. 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger. You can also fold down the seats, quick release in a 60-40 split. That's in case you get stuck in here so you can get out. And we can see the carbon fiber reinforced plastic tub here. And there's some lights that will turn on when it's nighttime, so when the tail lights go up, if you're back here, another car can see that you're actually here. And if I lift this up, we have your level 1, level 2 flex charger with both the 110 and the 240 volt. There's your tire repair kit plus, wheel lock keys and tow hook are all down there as well. And there's a little spot there for the second wheel lock key. And if you've opened this all the way, there's little straps, you can get it back here. Up top there's a button to close, but we can certainly kick underneath to close as well. So there it is, closing the hands-free way. Sweet. Now on the passenger side, we have the charge port door, which is connected to the central locking system. So if I press 9 o'clock, charge port door opens. We've got a little legend here that tells you what these lights are doing. So we can unlock the charging cable without unlocking the car while you have the key with you. This is for level 1, level 2. This is for level 3 DC fast charge. And the light will blink yellow once you plug in, just to put it into standby while it's determining whether it should charge now or charge later. Blinking blue means charging now, solid blue means charging later, green means finished charging, and red means connection error. So now that we've had a look at that, we can close that door. Let's open up the rear door next. So once I open that up, inside, well, first you'll see that we have frameless windows, ambient lighting. I've got flamingo going on, light looks hot. Harman Kardon sound system, door actuators, window switch, mechanical door release in case of an emergency, door pockets. If I lift this back up, you can also fold down the seats in a 60-40 split from the bottom here. The 2 outer headrests are fixed. The center headrest can flip up or down. We also have an armrest in the center. Cup holders extend out from the front. And once that's down, you can find the string to pull this down for a center pass-through. And we also have easy access to lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats. And up top we have some reading lights with some ambient lights, and the reading lights can swivel on each side, so you can direct it to whatever you're trying to look at. And we have the swiveling coat hanger on each side. And up top we have the glass roof, which is now opaque. Once we get to the front section of the vehicle, I can show you how to make it translucent. And we've got this little hole here so you can see through. There's a USB Type-C with an accessory port, so you can get a tablet holder, coat hanger, that kind of stuff. Pockets on the back of each front seat. No transmission tunnel. We've got some vents in the back of the center console, and more vents and lighting down here. So now that we've had a chance to take a look at everything inside of here, oh yeah, there's also a coat hanger here as well. And you can see more of that carbon fiber reinforced plastic tub. And now that we've had a look at this, let's shut that door. We'll open up the front passenger door next. So you can unlock each door by pressing the button inside. Front doors also have lock. So once I open this up, we have the glass controls for your seat operation. We have these buttons here for memory and seating options. That's either to hold or close the door, but you can also put your phone in there if you wish. And we've got window switch, unlock, lock, Harman Kardon, door actuator. Again, the mechanical doors down there. Nice stitching going across here. Some vents. Down here there's a button you can press that opens up the glove box, which is illuminated. We have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, and that's how it's mounted. And we've got some vents down here, 4 ways, max front defrost, rear defrost. And down here we've got some cup holders, wireless charger, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plug. You can put your phone here. There's also a hole at the bottom so you can put a charger through. Glass gear selector, glass iDrive controller, glass volume wheel. And if I press this, you'll see that we have this opening up in a split double-decker compartment inside of there. And of course, we can't miss these beautiful Amido seats. So Amido is like a gray color. And now that we've had a chance to look at all this, let's shut the door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up the driver door here. So this is the child safety lock. So if this is on, the rear doors cannot be opened from inside, nor can the windows go down. All 4 windows, one touch up and down, side mirror controls, memory, seat menu, glass controls, basically all the same stuff we saw on the other side. Tailgate release, and you can also pull this to hold while the key is inside to close the tailgate. And now that we're in here, this is the steering wheel. We've got some cool designs over here. Cruise control things, radio control things, signal stock, wiper stock. We also have the head-up display over there as well. I'm just gonna grab a seat in here because I wanted to show you a few things. So, number one, if I press driving settings, we have all the safety things. Forward collision, lane departure, blind spot, side collision, exit warning, emergency stop, which means if the car thinks you're unconscious, it'll make an attempt to pull over to the right side. Parking, automatic front park, back park, parallel park, recorded parking path, front and rear cross traffic. And in terms of driving, we've got the full cruise control, assisted driving plus. So no hands on the steering wheel. Car will mitigate speed, distance to the car in front of you, steer for you. You can also change lanes. And if I go ahead and press the seating menu button, I just wanted you to see. So we do have lumbar here. So if I touch in the middle of the seat, you can activate the lumbar, which is pretty cool. It's new for these M function seats. And also while we're here, let's just take a quick look. So with iDrive 8.5, the doors can be set to lock or unlock. So this has been around since iDrive 7, but just wanted to make sure you know that there's multiple ways to lock or unlock the vehicle. And up top here, we've got your universal garage door opener buttons, bit of ambient light, reading lights, shortcut to interior lighting. But this is how you make the sunshade opaque or translucent. So now it is translucent so you can see the ceiling. If I press it again, now it's opaque, so that's pretty cool. We also have the SOS button up here for roadside assistance. If I pull down the visor, the mirror opens with the light. We've got some microphones on the ceiling on each side. So now that we've taken a good look at all of that, another thing that's really cool is this car used to have a range of roughly about 500 kilometers. It's been bumped up to about 547 with the optimal wheels choice and whatnot. And you can see right now with 80% charge, it's already telling us 523, so that is pretty sweet. Now, normally, at this point in time, we'll pop the hood and take a look at the engine. But the iX hood does not open to the public. It's open just so that we can service the vehicle. But this is where you put the washer fluid. This is literally the only part of the front of the car that you're supposed to open. And we do have the camera here with the washer that comes out to wash it. So up to 547 kilometers range. And this also has 536 horsepower, 564 foot-pounds of torque. So definite beast when it comes to movement. So how do you like the new 2026 BMW iX LCI in Storm Bay Metallic with the Amido interior? Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more big lap all the way around. And I really like this setup. And I like the changes for the LCI. I really like what they've done with the front end of the vehicle. And I'm glad that they added that illuminating kidney. It definitely gives it some presence. And I think the headlights look more aggressive than the outgoing model. And of course, who doesn't like a bump in power and range? So how do you like this spec iX? If you like it, contact me. It's available now. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 in Storm Bay Metallic with the Amido interior and M Sport Pro. Let me know what you think. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.